My name is Bishop Fred AKAMA of Nairobi, Tent of Testimony Ministry International. So we celebrate now grace, the global voice of our generation that God has given us. My own Papa, the Restoration Apostle, Professor Johnson Suleman. It is again your birthday and we want to celebrate you, Papa. Happy birthday. We are because God gave you to us. Thank you for accepting the call of God, the sacrifices you have made, the sacrifices God has taken you through. You have reached us even in this far part of the world, and we thank you for all that you have done. Happy birthday. On this day, we take time to celebrate grace, to celebrate a global voice. Happy birthday, Papa, from Tent of Testimonies Ministry International, your son. Happy birthday in Jesus' name.
We celebrate you. Happy birthday, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman.